How to delete Bybit account permanently? Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to delete Bybit account permanently. So do watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Firstly, launch the Bybit app on your device. Make sure to log in and sign in to the particular account on Bybit. Now tap profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Once you head on this page, scroll down to the bottom and under Customer Support, select Help Center and Contact Support. Now select Help. Then you will land on the Help page, where at the top you got the option of self-service. You need to swipe and then you need to locate the Deactivate option on here. So you have already located Deactivate Account option. Tap on Deactivate Account button. Now, once you land on this deactivate an account section, you will get the consequences of deactivating an account. So you won't be able to log into this account again, unable to initiate any trades, including API and NFT trading, and many more. Once you've gone through this and once you're okay with all these consequences, you need to check mark all the boxes and then you can easily select I have understood and agreed to the above action. Above that, you need to give the reason why you want to disable. So now tap on deactivate account button at the bottom and tap the confirm button. Once you do that, enter the security verification code. Once you have copied the code, you need to enter here. Now your account has been successfully deactivated. After 30 days, you need to do not log in back to your account and your account will be permanently deleted after 30 days once you do not log into your account. So that's all. We close the Bybit account. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching.